Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today's interview question is, can we add objects in Python? So this is very important interview question. So we will verify this, can we add objects in Python? For this first I will create one class, number class, and this number class is having one constructor, and this constructor is taking one argument number. And once this constructor is getting called, when we are creating objects, so this number will get assigned with this instance variable, right? So now here this constructor we have defined. Now I will create objects of this number class. So num1 I am creating number. So when I am creating object of this class, I should pass here number, because this constructor is taking num, and then num2. So number, and this is taking 200. Now we will add these two objects. So num3 is equal to num1 plus num2, right? So now we will run this program. So here at this line number 9, we are getting error, unsupported operand types for plus. Means plus operator is not supporting objects addition, right? So this is the error. So this error is telling this. Means, can we conclude that we can't add objects in Python? No, we can't. But we can do this. How to do this? We have to define one method here, that is magic method add. And with this add method, you can now add these two objects. So it is taking two arguments, self and other object. Then here we want to add these two objects, right? So here return num self dot num plus other dot num, right? Means what we have done here, so we have defined this magic method. Now you can add these two objects. So here with this magic method, so it is taking two arguments, self and other. So self is this num1 object and other is num2 object. So when you are writing expression in this way, so this magic method will get automatically called. So that's why it is called magic method. Means these methods are magically getting called. So that's why these are called magic methods. So once this method is getting called, here what it is returning? It is returning new object of this number class. And what we are doing in this, we are adding numbers of from these two objects. So self.num, so this is the instance variable of first object, that is num1, and this is other.num, so this is the instance variable of this num2. So with this we can do addition now. So if I run this, so now I am not getting error here. So nothing is printed on the console because we haven't printed anything. So now here I will print num3. So num3 we will print. So if I print this, so it is giving number object, right? So here it has written number object, that's why we got here num3 as a object. Now we will access its value num3 dot num. So now if I run this, I will get addition of this num1 num2, that is 300, right? So in this way, if interviewer asks you, can we add objects in Python, so your answer should be yes, we can add. So for that addition we have to implement this magic method add. So in the same way other magic methods also you can implement, right? So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.